Assalamu alaikum. This is Kashif Shakani from Hamdard Public School, your English teacher. I hope you all are doing well. This video is for grade 7, 8, 9 and 10 students. So your today's task is to read this comprehension passage very carefully, and then you have to answer the questions that I'll be sharing at the end of the video. So the name of the passage is "The Choice is Yours." This passage is about a girl. So the following extract tells the story of a girl, Brenda, who belongs to both the school choir and the hockey team. She has an unfortunate experience with both of them on one particular day when the hockey team is scheduled to practice on the day of a choir rehearsal. At first, Brenda goes to the choir rehearsal to ask Miss Frances, the music mistress, if she can be excused as she has an unscheduled hockey practice. Miss Frances refuses and sends her back to Miss Taylor, the hockey mistress, who expects her to be there for practice. Brenda returns to Miss Frances' choir practice with her unhappy news. Now what you are supposed to do is you have to answer these questions that are given below. Exercise A, that is reading for detail. You have to answer these questions in a few words. Then it comes exercise B, that is reading for meaning. You have to answer these questions in complete sentences. And then here comes exercise C, that is reading for inference. You have to answer the following questions using clues from the passage. And exercise D is you have to discuss your answers to these questions as a class or in small groups that we had already discussed in our online class. I hope you all remember. And then comes exercise E, that is reading to summarize. Here you have to write an account of the events in this passage. Your summary, which must be in continuous writing, must not be longer than 120 words, including the 34 words given on the page 32. You should include the following details: the problem, the reasoning on both sides of the argument, the way that Brenda first tried to solve the problem, and her final solution. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you all will understand this. Make sure you just read this passage very carefully. Alright, Allah Hafiz. Thank you everyone. Take care.